How to join expired Telegram link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join a group when the Telegram link has expired. So first thing first, open the Telegram app and navigate to any group in your chats. And if group link is shared within the chat, try to click it and you will see it expired link. But don't worry, there is an easy fix for this. And here is what you need to do. Simply tap on the group name at the top of the screen to access the group details. From there, simply tap on Edit icon and in the menu, select Invite Links. Now create a new link to generate a fresh invite. You can customize link by setting a time limit, a limit on the number of users, and if you'd like, you can also name the link for easier identification. And once everything is set, tap create or your new invite link will be ready to use. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.